at 7.5 the temperature, and it's 9:12 a.m. in this morning. This is the pan, and I'm gonna egg some eggs for breakfast. Some protein eggs. And it's cooked. These are the eggs, salsa, and these are the flour tortillas. So I'm gonna be probably using one. It's kind of hard to get it out. I'm carrying the camera. Stuck. Get it out. See? I'm gonna put it right on the griddle. Okay? Just like that. And I have the temperature at 8.5, and it's 9:21 in the morning. Okay? AM. You can see the steam coming out. These tortillas were bought, I believe, at Walmart. But you can also buy them at a Mexican store near you. All you gotta do is heat up the griddle, and basically they're done. Just like that, okay? Then I'm gonna go ahead and set it right there, right on a napkin, and I am ready to eat. All right, so that's the flour tortilla, egg, which is very nutritious and with protein, good for the body and health, and some salsa. I'm gonna go ahead and get some salsa, just like that. So that's the meal right there. What's up, guys? This is Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions, and I'm about to eat my breakfast meal with a flour tortilla. Now let's take a bite. Add a little bit of salsa. Real good. Oh, it's hot. Not the egg, the salsa. This. I can also use a fork. Now, right in my mouth to my tummy. Gotta make it into a taco. Okay? Now a burrito. This is water. Now, let's eat it. Plate empty. Salsa. And now, guys, this will be all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe. If you're new to this channel, Genius C Productions, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to share the videos. You know, be tuned for more videos always coming up. New content that I hope you enjoy. Other than that, thank you for watching Genius C Productions. See you guys in the next video.